Hey guys, it's Thespa with Resin Bell, and today is the Elves box day. I finally got my box. This is the January Elves box from Sophie and Toffee, and look how pretty. It is so freaking cute. I love the pink, and then it has like this beautiful rose gold leaf on it. I love their boxes. They're so pretty. The Elves box. This is the premium Elves box, as you can see. Well, let's get into this little thing. I've been so excited to get this box because I have so many ideas for this box. I'm really excited to get started. I'm not going to tell you what they are. I'm going to be working on them this week at some point. This January Elves box is themed vending machines, and there is some really cute stuff in here. So first off, this is a piece of shaker film to cover the boxes. Ooh, look how cute! They're so cute! These cute little stickers. Oh, they're just adorable. Love those. And I believe you can stick those on these to put inside your vending machine. So you've got some cute little, stuffies and stuff inside of kind of like little gumball things. And then we've got some really cool stickers to decorate our vending machines. There's all kinds of, little candies and different kinds of sodas and waters and things. Candy store, plushies, fresh soda, open 24/7, pay me. I think those are really cute. Then we have this really, really adorable mix of polymer clay pieces, slices. Lots of goodies and candies and sweeties to decorate your vending machines and to fill up your shaker boxes and things. Those are so cute. Look how cute. Oh, there's like little cupcakes and little candies, and these little cupcakes have like little tiny hearts on the top. They're adorable. Oh my gosh, they're just so cute. Oh, so many goodies in there, little peppermint wheels, all kinds of yummy goodies to put in our shaker boxes, our vending machines. Let's see, then we've got this wonderful assortment of beautiful embellishments. So pretty. Lots of different shapes. We've got kind of a copper or rose gold. We've got kind of a gold color and then a silver color, and they're all just so pretty. Super adorable. So then we have a very, very cute Sophie and Toffee original. These are to make little plushies to go inside your vending machine. So those are so cute. Sophie and Toffee is so good about listening to their subscribers, and while they're developing things, they give us input. So if you're not in an Elves box subscription yet, you should think about doing that, because they have like the best customer service, and when they are developing or designing their things, because they do their own molds and things, they kind of give us a voice. They give us a chance to say yes or no, or maybe tweak this or tweak that, and a lot of times they listen, and they do a really good job about this. This is one thing. I remember when they were designing this, the eyes on this one were just kind of scared looking, and a couple of people commented that, and they changed them. So it's kind of a neat feature to be able to be involved in, some of the designing just to have a say and, you know, how they listen. They're just a really good little company. So this is so cute. So then we have some little snacks and chips and pop, and these are miniature molds. These are so tiny, like the size of my thumbnail. So yeah, you make these and you can put them in your little vending machine. So I think that's pretty cute. So this is one of our molds. I think this is the gachapon, however you say that. This is one of the vending machines. There's two different styles for the premium box. Very cute. They did a good job of designing these. I think those are going to be fun. And this is the other one. This is like the little sign at the top, and then like the window where you have all your snacks and things, and these little buttons, and the place where you put your money, and then the place at the bottom where your stuff comes out. So yeah, that's pretty cool. They did a good job on that. It's just so awesome. This is the one I'm really excited for because I have a bunch of ideas to make some different things with this. So stay tuned to my channel to check them out when I get them done. And then this one is a little capsule mold. So like this is one half and then this is the other half to make kind of like one of those little round capsule balls that you pop open and get your stuff out of the gumball machine. So those are that's really exciting. I have a really good idea for this one as well, and I'm excited to get working on that. So then here we have the Sophie and Toffee Crystal Epoxy Resin. This is their two-part resin. So you mix equal parts of A and B to make a good epoxy resin. I haven't tried this yet, so I'm excited to try this one out. Then we have some pigment dye. We have violet and rose. And I'm really excited about these colors. I will be using these colors a lot. I'm very happy. That's a really pretty purple, and this is a really nice pink. So a lot of uses for those. I'm really excited to get those. And these are the Sophie and Toffee colored UV resin. So this is 10 grams of each color. We got apple green, royal blue, and black, which is just awesome. So you can use those to put in the little details in the molds and things. And yes, so that's going to be really cool. And then, of course, we got our fun little colored packing peanuts. Everybody loves them. It's a beautiful thing. I like to save mine. I'm planning on doing something with them, but, you know, if nothing else, I'll use them for shipping off boxes and things. And then, you know, we've got this lovely crinkle cut. Good for, much better for the environment than these, of course, but we still love these because, you know, they're colorful and pretty and make you happy. This box is just beautiful. They do a really great job of curating their boxes. They do a great job of designing fresh new molds. And they have really knocked it out of the park with this first box of 2020. I am really excited to work with these vending machine molds. There is so much stuff in here, just tons and tons and tons and tons of stuff. It is just really, really wonderful. And yes, a lot of stuff in there to create with. So, if you are interested in getting the Elves box, I'm going to put a link down below in the description, and you can use it to get a percentage off of things that you buy in their store. And it also helps me out They have a wonderful referral program so that if you refer others, then you can earn free boxes eventually. So yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. So lots of stuff, and then they also have a creative contest. This is for, and then they print the winners in, or the winner wins a free box, and then they have their 2 runners up, and then they print them in their little magazine that they send out to everyone, which I think is just the cutest and most wonderful thing to do. We all have a lot of fun with that. So anyway, so be looking for some fun creations that I'm going to be doing with these shakers, with these vending machine shakers. And thanks for watching. I appreciate you. This is a new channel, and I'm trying to build it up. So if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button and that like button, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.